Good morning to all. In our previous class, we saw how to find the mean of a given group data through deviation method and direct method. Today, we see finding the group data to mean through step deviation method. So the step deviation method to finding mean, the principle is A plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. So through step deviation method for finding mean, the principle is a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Here the terms indicating a means assumed mean, already we know. F means frequency, this one also we know. H means height of the class, this one also called length of the class or class length of the class. And ui equal to xi minus a by h. Ui equal to xi minus a by h. Here x means class mark. Class mark means already we said it is the mid value of the given class interval. Okay, a means already we know assumed mean, h means height of the class. That means in the deviation method we find d equal to x minus a we taken. So in that x minus a, for finding deviation, that will be divided with the class height, then that is called u. So by using this principle, now we find the given group data to mean. Now our to given a problem, the following table gives the literary rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So literacy rate in percentage and number of cities given. So 45 to 55 percentage 3 cities there, 55 to 65 percentage 10 cities there, 65 to 75 percentage 11 cities, 75 to 85 percentage 8 cities, and 85 to 95 percentage literacy rate in 3 cities given. Now we have to find the mean of this data. Now we finding mean of this data through step deviation method. So for this step deviation method, we need x value, a value and h value, f, and summation fi ui, summation f values we have to find. So first the given class intervals will be taken as class length or class So here given literacy rate is taken as class interval, and number of cities is taken as frequency. Now the given values will be taking 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85 and 85 to 95. So for this 45 to 55 class interval, corresponding number is 3. 55 to 65 corresponding number 10. 65 to 75 corresponding frequency is 11. 75 to 85 corresponding frequency is 8. 85 to 95 corresponding frequency is 3. Okay. Now we finding class mark. That is nothing but x. So already we said how we find class mark. So for a class interval, the lower limit upper limits average is taken as class mark. So 45 plus 55, 45 plus 55 equal to 100, 100 to half, that is nothing but 50. Next 55 to 65, that equal to 160, 160 to half 60. Next 65 to 75, this class mark is 70 and 75 to 85 class mark is 80 and 85 to 95 class mark is 90. So next we have to find UI. UI value is nothing but xi minus a by h. So here we have to know about h value. So here h, that h means class height. So class height or length of the class equal to the difference between any sequential two classes intervals, either lower limits otherwise upper limits, that is called class interval as height. So this class height equal to 65 minus 55, that equal to 10, otherwise 85 minus 75, that is also equal to 10. So and here finding this class mark time also, if we observe these class marks, each class mark between the difference is also 10 only coming. Why? Because this class height is 10. That purpose simply here 10 10 adding means also not a problem. Okay. So here now which value we will be taking as assumed mean? So which value we will take means in that frequency, what is the highest frequency, that highest frequency corresponding class mark will be taken as assumed mean generally. Otherwise anyone take, there also we get the same result only. Okay. So the assumed mean equal to 70. Now we calculating this xi minus a by h. So 50 minus 70, 50 minus 70 equal to minus 20, minus 20 by h value 10. So minus 20 by 10 equal to minus 2. Next 60 minus 70, that is minus 10, minus 10 by 10 equal to minus 1. Next 70 minus 70, that equal to 0, 0 by 10 equal to 0 only. Next 80 minus 70, that equal to 10, 10 by 10 equal to 1 only. Next 90 minus 70, that equal to 20, 20 by 10 equal to 2. So the UI values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now finding FIUI values, the product of fi ui finding. Now f value 3, its corresponding ui is minus 2, so 3 minus 2 is minus 6, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 11 into 0 0, 8 1 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6. Now we calculating the summation f. The summation f value is nothing but 35, already here given 35 cities. Next, summation fi ui, that summation fi ui equal to, so 6 minus 6 equal to 0, minus 10 plus 8 means that is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so here summation f equal to 35, summation fi ui equal to minus 2. So now these values substituting in the principle of finding mean through step deviation method. So through step deviation method, for finding mean, the principle is a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. So here a value is 70 plus summation fi ui equal to minus 2 by summation fi equal to 35 into h value, that is 10. So plus into minus, that is nothing but minus 2 into 10, that equal to 20. So 70 minus 20 divided by 35. So 72, now 20 by 35, this will be divided, we get 0.57. Now 70 to 0.57, if we subtract, we get 69.43. Okay, so mean of this given data is 69.43. That is only ours to ask, find the mean literacy rate. So mean literacy rate of the given data equal to 69.43 percentage. Why? Because here given in that each and every one in percentages only. That purpose the result is also mean value in percentage, there 69.43 percentage. So in this method we find the mean of the given data through direct method, deviation method and step deviation method. In that any method we use, we get the same result only. Now we see for a given problem, finding the mean of the data through deviation method and step deviation method and direct method, we get the same result or not. Now here given a problem, find the mean age of 100 residents of a colony from the following data. Age in years, number of persons 0 to 10 years, 10 members, 10 to 20 years, 15 members, 20 to 30, 25 members, 30 to 40, 25 members, 40 to 50, 10 members, 50 to 60, 10 members, 60 to 70 years, 5 members there. Now we find mean age of these 100 residents too. So for finding the given class interval and frequency taking, this values writing now first. Zero to 10, 20, 10 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, 40 to 50 years, 50 to 60 years, 60 to 70 years. Their corresponding frequencies are 10, 15, 25, 25, 10, 10 and 5. So for these values to finding mean, so for this problem to finding mean in 3 methods, in the 3 methods we get the same result or not, now we checking that purpose. For any direct method or deviation method or step deviation method, we find the class mark, that is the constant only. So the class mark for each and every one method 2 we have to find. So we finding the class mark of this data. So class mark means, already we said class mark is nothing but the average of the class intervals lower and upper limits. So 0 to 10, that means 0 plus 10 means 10, 10 by 2 means 10 by 2 to half, that equal to 5, and 10 to 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2 equal to 15. And before step deviation method 2 we observed, so height of the class, if we observed height of the class is 10, that means the class mark between difference is also 10. So now we can directly write the remaining class marks, 20 to 30, that means 25, 15 plus 10, 25, next it is 35, 25 plus 10, 35, and it class mark 45, 35 plus 10, 45, and 50 to 60, that means 55, 45 plus 10, 55, and 60 to 70, that means 65, 55 plus 10, 65. Now the direct method to the principle is for finding mean. Summation fi xi by summation fi. So we finding summation fi value and finding the summation of product of f and x values. So summation of f equal to 100, summation of f equal to 100, already here given 100 residents. Now finding f and x product, so f x, that is, so 10 5 50, 15 15 225, and 25 25 625, 25 35 875, 10 into 45 450, 10 into 55 550, 65 5 325. Now summation of these fx values is equal to 3100. Now substituting these mean principle direct method to summation fi ui by summation fi, these values if we substitute 3100 by 100, that is nothing but 31. Okay, we get mean of this data is 31 in direct method. Now in deviation method and step deviation method also same result coming. Okay, that will be now we checking. So for finding through deviation method, main purpose, the principle is a plus summation ft by summation f. So that purpose now we have to fill a value. A means assumed mean, already we said. So how we taking assumed mean means how we said the highest class mark frequency to corresponding class mark taking said. So here the highest frequency is both times 25 there. So in that any value taking as class mark, not a problem. So I am taking this 30 to 40 class intervals 25 frequency as highest one. So its class mark 35 will be taking as A. So if here this 35 to observe, it is center value purpose we take it. So up and down the same, here 3 numbers, here 3 numbers there. So for finding we get minus, negative and positive values equally. So that purpose I am taking this 35. Now here we have to find d value. So the d value equal to xi minus a, xi minus a. So now we find xi minus a values. So here 5 minus 35, that equal to minus 20. Next 15 minus 30, 5 minus 35 is minus 30. 15 minus 35, that equal to now we calculating d value. D equal to xi minus a. So deviation d equal to xi minus a. So here the x equal to 5 and a value is 35. So 5 minus 35 equal to minus 30. That is nothing but minus 30. Next 15 minus 35 equal to minus 20. 25 minus 35 equal to minus 10. 35 minus 35 equal to 0. 45 minus 35 equal to 10. 55 minus 35 equal to 20. And 65 minus 35 equal to 30. Now we find the value of the product of FD. So FD value we finding. So FD means the product of frequency and deviation. So 10 into minus 30, that equal to minus 300. 15 into minus 20, that equal to minus 300. 25 into minus 10, that equal to minus 250. 25 into 0, that equal to 0. 10 into 10, that equal to 100. 10 into 20, that equal to 200. 5 into 30, that equal to 150. Now if we do the additions of these numbers, now the summation of positive numbers 100, 200, 150, this value is nothing but 450. Now the addition of the negative terms minus 300 minus 300 minus 250, that is nothing but minus 850. Now minus 850 plus 450, that is equal to minus 400. So summation FD value is minus 400. Now these values substituting here in that mean deviation method to finding mean principal. Now A equal to 35 plus summation FD value minus 400 by summation F, that equal to 100. So minus 400 by 100 means that is nothing but minus 4. So plus into minus means minus 35 minus 35 minus 4 equal to 31. So here also we get mean age of this data equal to 31. That is same as through direct method. Okay. Now step deviation method to also we find mean. Here also we get the same result or not checking. So through step deviation method, for finding mean, the principle is A plus summation Fi ui by summation Fi into H. So here A value assumed mean already we taken, and F value frequencies and summation F value also we know, and height of the class also we know, that is nothing but 10. So now here we have to find ui value. Ui equal to xi minus a by h. So here we already know xi minus a equal to d, that means it is nothing but d by h. Next we have to find fi ui value. So here that ui values we find it. So minus 30 by h value 10, that means that is nothing but minus 3. Next minus 20 by 10, that equal to minus 2. Next minus 10 by 10, that equal to minus 1. 0 by 10, that equal to 0. 10 by 10 equal to 1. 20 by 10, that equal to 2. 30 by 10, that equal to 3. Now finding the product of f and u. So 10 into minus 3, that is nothing but minus 30. Next 15 into minus 2, that is minus 30. 25 into minus 1, that equal to minus 25. 25 into 0, that equal to 0. 10 into 1, that equal to 10. 10 into 2 equal to 20. 5 into 3, that equal to 15. Now we doing the addition of f and u. So here if we do their addition, so the addition of 10, 20 and 15 is nothing but 45, and the addition of minus 30 and 25 is nothing but minus 85. Minus 85 plus 45 equal to, that is minus 40. Now these values substituting here, we get a assumed mean is 35, that one we know, plus summation fi ui, that is minus 40 by summation fi. Summation fi value we know 100 into h, class height is 10. So minus 40 into 10 means minus 400. Minus 400 by 10 means minus 4. So plus into minus is minus, that means it is also nothing but 35 minus 4. 35 minus 4 is equal to 31. So here now find the mean of the data through direct method, otherwise deviation method, otherwise step deviation method. We get the same result only. Okay, so but in that which case we taking which method, then we get simply solve the problem. Means if the class mark x and frequencies are very large values, then we use deviation, otherwise step deviation method. Any method we have to use, we can simply solve the problem. If the class mark and frequency are less values, then we use direct method. Then we solve the problem simply. Okay, so in these three types, any method we find, we get the same result.